Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook wrong credentials error. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, this error comes with multiple reasons. Number one, maybe it's just an app glitch, okay, the Facebook app glitch or a browser glitch. The second one, maybe you've just entered a wrong credential, wrong email or mobile number, or even wrong password. Okay, that's the second one. The third option, maybe someone changed your password or you've been hacked. And the last one is that maybe you opened up your Facebook app, tapped on it, and then there'll be some credentials managers such as Google Pass, Samsung Pass, just like this one right here. And when you go ahead and select an account and then entered your fingerprint or whatever, a password is automatically logged. So when you go ahead and tap on login, it cannot go through. So what you'll do is just make sure that you retyped your password right here. Maybe you've changed it. Okay, go ahead and type down your password manually. And then just go ahead and log in. All right. Now, if you still can't log in, as you may noticed earlier, there is a forgot password feature. So all you got to do is just tap on it and follow the basic prompts to try to recover your account, as your account has likely been hacked. All right. That is how you fix Facebook wrong credentials. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.